The 2024 Volkswagen Jetta, sleek, efficient and packed with tech. But is it really the best sedan for your money? Let's find out. Is the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta steering wheel sharp and responsive or dull and lifeless? Let's put it to the test and find out. The steering wheel, it's good, it's responsive. I like how it feels. It has feel to it. It's not too soft, it's not too hard. It's in between how responsive this is. It moves. Does the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta offer enough interior space to keep you comfortable, or will it leave you cramped? Let's find out.
It's a sedan and it's very spacious. I don't know how they made it. It doesn't feel cramped in the car at all. You know, blind spot is good, as you can see. Rear of me is good as well.
We're at the Ottawa airport to pick up something. But before we do that, let's take a look at the exterior of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta.
Taking a look at the exterior of this 2024 Volkswagen Jetta. As you can see here, it looks okay. It's good, you know. Lines here makes the car more aggressive. I like how it looks. One thing I noticed is the front end of this car has a lot of chrome. Here, chrome. You know, cheap plastic here. Cheap plastic. Life is good. I like how it. But coming to the side, this 17-inch alloy wheel that looks nice. It's blacked out and it's also silver. It looks side nice. Profile, nice, you know, with the lines as well. Lines that go around like all this way. Line. Just makes the car look a bit more aggressive. You know, gives the car a bit more sportish look. Doesn't make it seem like just a sedan. And if we come to the back, it's just like a typical sedan, man. There's nothing special about it, you know. The nice tail lights, small duck spoiler. But I don't know if I'm gonna call that a duck spoiler or not. You know, the chrome and the cheap plastic comes to the back as well. It's not bad. If I'm to grade the exterior of this 2024 Volkswagen Jetta, I'm gonna give it like a C. There's nothing special about it, honestly. At Ottawa airport right now, I'm here to get my T4. Guys, file your taxes. It's tax season, file taxes. But I'm here to get my T4 from a company I used to work with. I moved, and so they probably sent it to my old house, and I need to get it so I can file my taxes. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. And then after that, we have to head into the terminal, to the airport terminal itself. There are some offices there as well, and I need to return something, and I need to get something else as well. Some confidential stuff I wish I could tell you guys, but I can't. You know, I don't want to get in trouble with the airport terminal. So I returned what I needed to return. Got my receipt. Now we're gonna head back to the car, and then we're gonna head to Service Ontario because I need to change my daughter's name. I need to get my son's health card, so we're gonna do that.
Time to get behind the wheel. Let's take the 2024 Jetta for a POV drive and see how it really feels on the road.
What's that noise?
Today, I'm putting the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta suspension to the test to see if it smooths out the bike or if it's gonna shake me up. Let's find out.
Suspension is okay. There's nothing special about it. There's nothing fantasizing about it. Except fantasize. There's nothing cloudy about the suspension. It's tuned okay for a sedan. You go through bumps, you can still feel them, but it sucks it up okay. It's not like it's aggressive where you're like bam, 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 bam. You're feeling everything. It's actually okay. Going through snow and it's slipping and sliding everywhere.
Quick stops and tight turns. Two things that can make or break a daily driver. Today I'm testing the brakes and turning radius of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta to see if it's built for city streets or bound to leave you frustrated. Let's dive in. 30 kilometers an hour. No car behind us. I'm gonna stomp on the brake. In the snow. That's not bad. It slipped a bit, but it's not bad. It brakes okay. Now, let's do the turning radius. Sorry, Patricia. Ready? Alright, this road is quite tight. Let's do it at the front here in case we get stuck. Yeah, here. Here. Alright, everybody ready? Stop. All the way. I will let it go. Obviously gonna go to these people's property, but definitely not gonna make it. The road is small, I'll give you that. The road is small. I didn't expect it to make it. I'm not even gonna lie, so I'm not mad at it.
Wait, traction. Oh.
We're at Beacon Hill Mall to get some work done at Service Ontario. But before we do that, let's take a look at the interior of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta.
Taking a look at the interior of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta, we have this like kind of soft touch, not really soft touch. This like plasticky, aluminium-like stuff. A big cubby space. It's actually quite big. So I have memory seat as well. We have this D-Star gauge cluster that looks really nice. Leather steering wheel that has heated seats. We have the cruise control system and the hands-free driving system right here. We have this touchscreen that is okay, responsive, nothing crazy. We have climate control. We have heated seats. We have ventilated seats. We also have dual climate control. We have wireless charging pad. We have the gear selector and the mode selector. You press it, it changes on the screen here and whatnot. We also have backup camera to the back. Backup camera that's okay. No 360 camera. We have two cup holders here. This small cubby for God knows what. We have a bigger storage. We have this. Taking a look at back seats. Cheap plastic. A bit of soft touch. Cubby space here. One back seat pocket. Two heated seats at the back here. No vents. I want vents, but we don't have. Decent leg room. It's okay. Decent headroom as well. Oh, headroom is good. Oh, sedan. The space here is not bad. See, it's good. It's okay. Two cup holders. Sedan truck. Trunk. Fit in it. Heavy trunk test. My truck close it. Are you sure? Yeah. Yeah, good. Thank God you didn't close it because I was scared for my life. I was fully. Hell, man. Nice trunk. Alright, I'm to get this interior. I'm going to give this interior. Honestly, it's okay looking. I'll give it like a B-. Alright, so we're at Service Ontario. We're about to change my daughter's name and get my son's health card. Do that real quick. I don't like waiting at all, man. It gets done soon, man. Let me check the number. Let's see what number we have. 88. I can even see the number from here. In this Canada, everything is just difficult, man. So we've done my son's health card. We renewed it already. But my daughter's name change. Bro, we have to jump through hoops, man, just to get it changed.
Volkswagen said 2024 Jetta's Volt sound system delivers premium audio. But does it really? Let's crank up the volume and find out if it's music to our or just sound of an iPod.
That's a Volt sound system. So let's test out the Volkswagen Jetta already. It sounded good. It's not bad. It's okay. There was nothing special. It was a base FM. Nothing too special. Alright, so we're about to just go drop off this car back to the dealership, and before we do, I want to talk about if whether or not you should get this 2024 Volkswagen Jetta. And honestly, the car overall, there's a lot of cheap materials on the car and stuff like that, outside and inside. But honestly, the car drives well. Nothing really special. It's driver focus, as you can see the screen facing you, everything facing you, just like a Honda. And to grade the overall experience of this car, I'll honestly give it a B-. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be your boy Abnolimit. Peace out.